What business goals can you accomplish with Facebook? Every business has business goals to accomplish, and every business goal will vary from one business to another. While the truth is that the ultimate goal of any business is to make money, there are other important goals to accomplish before a business is able to become fully profitable. The main goal of a roofing business can be to build a presence and reach as many local clients as possible within its service area. And the main goal of a new fast food joint could be to get discovered by people from foreign areas so they can visit their restaurants on holidays, to give you a few examples. In the past, many businesses were not able to succeed because their goals were hindered by factors such as geographical location and tight budgets. Nowadays, a platform like Facebook can make an enormous difference in how a business reaches its customers, no matter where it is located or how tight its budget is. Let's take a look at what business goals you can accomplish with Facebook. Build your presence. A business needs to be present where its main audience is more likely to find it if it wants the chance to become relevant, profitable, and sustainable over time. Building a presence is now easier than ever with Facebook because the platform allows businesses to reach an active audience of 2 billion people on a monthly basis. Create awareness. People might pass in front of a business every day and still ignore what the business is all about, but Facebook can easily help businesses of all sizes create awareness about who is behind them and what they do, what these businesses offer, and what makes them different, which is crucial for getting new clients. Drive discovery. A business might be very good at informing leads and existing clients about its offers and its products, but growth is not possible if people are not engaged. Facebook allows businesses to get new clients by giving people the opportunity to explore products and services online or in person to drive customer engagement. Generate leads. Every business owner wishes its business could grow as big as any of the major players, and that is simply not possible if new customers are not found on a regular basis. Luckily, Facebook can help any business thrive by funneling people into a buying cycle that is a win-win situation for both the customers and businesses. Boost sales. A business can't grow if it doesn't make money, and the best way to keep making more money is by keeping the sales up all the time. That is why Facebook has devised ways to show your products to only the people that are interested in what you have to offer, which will boost sales both in the short and long terms. Earning loyalty. Earning the loyalty of your customers is not an easy task because competition is hard. Facebook can help you and your business build relationships that go beyond the norm, so your brand is always in your customer's mind.